Hello, my dear student. This question it is mentioned a relation R has 8 attribute. How many attribute are there? 8 attribute A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and R contain only atomic value. There is a no multi-valued attribute. Okay, and FD set are given. CH determine G, A determine BC, B determine CFS, E determine A, F determine E. Is the set of FDs. These FD set are given, and it is saying F plus is exactly the set of FDs that hold of for R. It is mentioned how many candidate key does the relation R have. How many candidate, कितनी candidate की इसमें? Option A 3, B 4, C 5, and D is 6. So what we do, we will solve each and every candidate key. We will check. So first of all, we will write the schema and FD set R A B E F G. And what are the FDs? CH determine G. A determine B. CH determine G. A determine BC. B determine CFH. B determine CFH, and E determine A. E determine A, and F determine E. F determine, my dear. Here you can see there are 5 FDs. CH determine G, A determine BC, A determine G, A determine BC, B determine CFH, E determine A, F determine EG. Now we have to calculate the candidate. So what I will do, क्या करूंगा मैं? सबसे पहले I will take the closure. सर why you taking the closure of A? आप A का ही क्लोजर क्यों ले रहे हो? बिकॉज मुझे यहाँ दिख रहा है कि A से मोस्टली एट्रीब्यूट आ जाएंगे. A से B आ रहा है, B से मोस्टली एट्रीब्यूट आ रहे हैं, और अभी अपन इसको फाइनल कंक्लूजन तो बोल ही नहीं रहे हैं. When we take the closure of A, what we are getting? A, B, and B determine the FH, FH, and my dear, F determine EG, EG. So here you can see A, B, C, E, F, G, H. You are not getting, and my dear, D is not present in, FD. So whenever any attribute not present in FD, then add in, yeah, that attribute. Add means what? That attribute add in candidate. Yeah, make a part of candidate. Now I will check. When I will add D, then what is happening? What is happening? When we take the closure, then what be happening? A, B, D, F are getting all the attribute, and declare D is candidate. AD is candidate key. This is one of the candidate key. And what is the prime attribute? Here I make a list of prime attribute. What is the prime attribute here? D and A. Now what we have to check? We have to check if there any X attribute which determine the prime attribute, then multiple candidate keys. अगर ऐसा कोई केस आता है तो मेरे पास मल्टीपल कैंडिडेट कीज. Clear? If we have this type of case, then we can say multiple candidate key are. Now we will check in this FD set, either D determined by any, no. E, yes, E determine A. E determine A, my dear. E determine A. So you can replace this A with the help of what we can say E. When you take the closure of ED, what we are getting? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. A B C D E F G H, तो डायरेक्टली वी कैन से ED इज ए कैंडिडेट. सर क्यों डायरेक्टली बोल रहे हैं? बिकॉज D is mandatory in each and every key, because D is not present in FD, or only from E you are not able to get because D is required, so D is missing in the FD. So directly we can say what your next candidate key is, what ED is your next candidate. ED is your next candidate key number 2, my dear. Okay, now what is the prime attribute here? Add in the list. A work finish, yes sir, A work finish. Now you can see, sorry, next is E. E is there. Now A work finish sir, yes. E you can see, E you can see my dear, F determine EG. आपका E किससे आ रहा है? F से आ रहा है. तो इधर आप E की जगह क्या लिख सकते हैं? किससे रिप्लेस कर सकते हो? FD. When you take the closure of FD, what happen? You are getting each and every attribute A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So directly we can say FD is next candidate. FD is next candidate key number 3rd, might. The next prime attribute is what? F. Next prime, A work done. Yes sir, A work done. E work, yes sir, E. Now check for F. Now check for F. Here you can see my dear, F is determined by B. B determine F. You can see F determined by, क्या कर देंगे? इस F को अपन B से रिप्लेस कर देंगे. Then we can say B. When you take the closure of BD, what is happening? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You are getting D as a candidate. Is candidate key. Here B is candidate. This is the 4th candidate key. Now add in the list what? D also. F were complete, yes. B determined by A, that you already taken the start. आप ले चुके हो. So here these are the 5 prime attribute, but it is asking about the candidate key. Then how many candidate keys are there? Here you are getting 4 candidate key. 4 candidate key, and what is the name of that candidate keys? What is the name of that candidate keys? What is the name of that candidate keys? Here you can see क्या क्या नाम है उन candidate key के? उन candidate key के AD, first one is AD, next one ED, next one FD, and these are the 4 candidate key. So my dear student, B is the correct answer for this question. In this schema with the given FD set, you are getting 4 candidate key. B is the correct answer. Hope so. Thank you everyone.